Hey, you beautiful, brilliant, slightly distracted humans. Episode 27 is officially here, and I'm already laughing at myself because this morning I sat down with my tea, opened a shadowing video, told myself, today I'm a focus goddess. And 23 minutes later, I was watching a cat trying to fit into a shoebox while eating cereal straight from the box. Classic Eva. So welcome to the episode that finally explains why your brain is a professional escape artist and how to lock the doors so focus can't run away anymore.
And I'm Daniel, former world champion of most tabs open while studying. I once reached 62 tabs, 62. Now I can do a clean 55-minute shadowing session, close the laptop, and still have energy to cook dinner. So if you ever start a lesson, get distracted in 3 seconds, end up on TikTok, or suddenly remember you need to Google best shampoo for curly hair at 2 a.m., this episode is your life jacket. Drop in the comments right now the one thing that steals your focus the most. Phone, random thoughts, noise, tiredness, people walking by. Write it and smash that subscribe button. Let's fix this together.
And please, no "I'm just lazy" comments. That's the biggest lie we tell ourselves. Laziness doesn't exist. Distraction design does. We're going to prove it today.
Let's start with the brutal, science-backed truth. Your brain is not broken. It's working exactly the way it was built 200,000 years ago. Hear a rustle in the bushes? Check it immediately. It might be food or a tiger. The brain that notices shiny, new, moving things survives and reproduces. Fast forward to 2025. The rustle in the bushes is now a notification ping, a red number 1, a thumbnail of a dancing cat, a recommended for you video that knows exactly what you like. Same ancient wiring, brand new jungle full of digital tigers.
That's why the second you open a shadowing video, YouTube recommends the funniest stand-up clip you've ever seen. The algorithm is literally a predator, and your brain goes, danger! I mean, fun! Must click now. So the very first rule we've both learned the hard way, remove the tigers before they eat your focus alive.
My phone used to live on the desk like a cute little grenade. Now it has 3 different homes depending on the task. Deep work, locked in a kitchen drawer, airplane mode, wrapped in an old sock. Yes, really. Light work, charging in the hallway, face down, grayscale, do not disturb until noon. Break time, only then it's allowed in the same room as me.
I went full drama queen and bought a real timer lockbox from Amazon, the kind people use to lock away snacks. I put the phone in, set it for 60 minutes, and physically cannot open it. First week, I almost cried staring at that box. Second week, I did my longest shadowing session ever, 68 minutes straight. Now, I love that box more than some of my friends.
Environment design beats willpower every single day of the week. If the cookies are on the table, you will eat the cookies. If the phone is within arm's reach, you will check the phone. Full stop.
I completely redesigned my study corner. I used to work on the couch. Couch equals Netflix plus sleep in my brain. Now I have a tiny desk by the window that is only for English. The chair is just uncomfortable enough that I don't want to sit there and scroll for hours, but perfect for 60-minute sessions. There's a sign on the wall that says, English only zone. No tigers allowed.
I stuck a massive A4 paper above my monitor saying notification equals actual emergency only. My friends know the rule. Message me before noon, and it better be the building is on fire level. Otherwise, I'll see it at lunch.
Rule number 2, stop promising yourself 2 hours of perfect focus. Your brain hears that and immediately starts looking for the emergency exit.
We now live by the 5-minute promise. I sit down and say out loud, Daniel, just 5 minutes of shadowing. If you hate it, you can quit and eat chocolate. 97% of the time, I end up doing 45 to 70 minutes because the only hard part was starting.
Same here. I even set a real kitchen timer for 5 minutes. When it rings, I'm already in the flow. I laugh at myself and just keep going. It's like tricking a toddler with candy.
It's basic physics of motivation. An object at rest stays at rest. An object in motion stays in motion. We just need to give the wheel that tiny push.
Rule number 3, single task or die trying. Multitasking is a beautiful lie.
I used to have video playing plus Anki deck plus WhatsApp plus notebook plus tea plus what's for dinner thoughts plus music in the background. Absolute disaster. Now, when I shadow, only 3 things exist in the entire universe: the speaker's voice, my voice repeating, and the pause button.
I close the door, put on noise-canceling headphones, and stick a note on my screen. One thing, this thing, nothing else. Looks ridiculous, works perfectly. Rule number 4, energy management, not time management. Focus is biological, not logical.
I discovered I'm a morning monster. After 1500, I turn into a sleepy potato. So all hard practice happens between 7:30 and 11:30. Evenings are now chill listening, labeling, one-sentence journal, or watching a series with English subtitles.
I'm the complete opposite. Before 10 a.m., I'm useless, but after 20:30, I become a focused beast. So my deep work window is 20:30 to 22:30. Then I wind down with calm podcasts or songs.
Rule number 5, dopamine detox. We have to teach the brain that real work can feel good again.
I did a 14-day hardcore detox. No social media, no gaming, no YouTube except lessons. No random news. First weekend, I thought I would actually die of boredom. Day 9, I caught myself getting genuinely excited about repeating one tricky sentence perfectly. My brain relearned joy from achievement instead of endless scrolling.
After 12 days of detox, writing one journal sentence felt like finishing a Netflix season. The bar was so low that everything became rewarding again.
Rule number 6, body first, brain second. You can't focus if you're running on empty.
Used to survive on 6-hour sleep and wonder why I couldn't remember anything. Now I protect 8 hours like it's my full-time job. Focus tripled, mood quadrupled.
1-liter water bottle permanently on the desk. Every time it's empty, stand up, stretch, refill, 10 jumping jacks, or a quick dance to an English song. Tiny movement breaks that recharge instead of distract.
Protein plus fat breakfast every day. Eggs, avocado, nuts. No more 11 a.m. sugar crash and brain fog.
Rule number 7, close every mental loop instantly.
Random thought hits. Did I reply to Sarah? What if I forget the shopping? What's for dinner? I don't fight it. I grab my brain dump notebook and write it in 2 seconds. Brain goes, cool, it's handled, and shuts up.
My notebook is called Worry Parking Lot. Everything parks there until 18 p.m. When I finally open it at 18 p.m., 90% of the worries have either solved themselves or feel completely stupid. Rule number 8, make every session satisfying instantly.
After every shadowing block, I do the most embarrassing victory dance known to mankind and shout, I just got better at English. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy, but my brain thinks I'm a rock star.
Giant wall calendar. Every focus day equals huge green X with a fat marker. Seeing that chain grow is more addictive than any social media app ever was.
Rule number 9, the 2-day rule. Never skip twice in a row.
Had a terrible Thursday last week. Zero focus, pure distraction. Friday, I forced myself to do just 5 minutes. Chain saved, pride restored.
Real listener stories, because you guys are absolute legends.
Sophie wrote, phone on desk equals 5-minute study, 25 minutes scrolling. Locked phone in kitchen drawer plus 5-minute promise now does 90-minute sessions and passed her mock B2 exam with 84%.
Liam adds, evening zombie. Moved all hard practice to 7:10 a.m. Evenings now fun English with family. Energy back, focus back, happiness back.
Olivia writes, random thoughts destroyed every session. Started brain dump notebook, now 50-minute shadowing with 0 interruptions. Sent us a voice note literally crying of happiness.
Noah adds, sleep was 5 to 6 hours, fixed to 8. Focus went from goldfish to laser beam.
Emma writes, 14-day dopamine detox. Thought she would die. Day 11, she wrote, I got high from finishing 1 page of reading. Now reads 30 to 40 pages without noticing.
Lucas adds, Victory Dance looked stupid. Did it anyway. Now his little sister copies him and they both study longer. Family focus level up.
Mia writes, bought the timer lock box after this episode. First week, hated Eva. Second week, did 73-minute session and cried happy tears. Your mission, do it right now while we're still talking. Pause the episode for 15 seconds. Choose one tiny focus fix you'll try tomorrow morning. Write it in the comments in English. Examples: tomorrow, phone in kitchen drawer plus 5-minute shadowing only. Tomorrow, I start brain dump notebook for random thoughts.
Tomorrow, I find my golden focus window and protect it.
We read every single comment. This is your public promise to yourself.
Last thing, repeat after us slowly. My brain is not the enemy. It just needs better rules, better environment, and tiny wins. I am the boss of my focus, starting today.
Thank you for being here with us. I'm Ava.
I'm Daniel.
Take back your focus, take back your English, comment your plan, hit subscribe, and keep winning every single day.